The first conference I went to, there was a particular speaker who was asking questions about how many green roofs people had done. And I sort of looked around and I thought, wow, there's probably some people who have done quite a few. Well, by the time we had sort of gotten up over 20, I was the only hand up in the room. And it really shocked me because I didn't realize what a fresh, new industry this was. A lot of people were really just sort of looking at Europe, adapting technology, and coming into North America with it. But it was really very, very new. So that was about, well, almost 11 years ago when I first sort of got involved in green roofing. So now, where are we today? Well, I think the question of whether this is a fad or sort of an eco-chic kind of movement, I think it's been answered. I believe that especially green architecture that sort of adapts and utilizes green technologies, whether living technologies like a green roof or other types of technologies, I think it's here to stay. I don't think we're looking at something that is a fad anymore. I'm quite sure, I feel very confident in saying I believe we've experienced a paradigm shift in the way that architecture is viewed, in the way that buildings are being looked at and constructed, and I think it's here to stay. Green roofs are getting complicated and high profile. This is the California Academy of Science in San Francisco, and these sort of drumlin type mounds on the rooftop sort of contain these big glass skylight orbs in the building, and they're really quite a dramatic indication of the design intent on that building and what's inside. Here's a picture from the top. You can see these big skylight areas. They're just all these multiple skylights. There is a viewing area so people can go up and look at the green roof there. And the plantings on this site incorporate a lot of important native plantings for an at-risk species of butterfly. And so there's a lot of design thought put into these green roofs, and naturally a lot of money. My purpose for showing you all these different technologies is that green roofs are now being considered as part of an overall broader green design idea. The key to green roof success, it's all about performance. So if you want to create policy, if you want to create construction standards, all those things should contain performance clauses in them. So how do you do that? Well, you first have to investigate what is achievable. Naturally, salespeople, including salespeople for my company, they are convinced that their product is the best, and therefore they're going to tell you it's the best. But so in order to get past that, what you need to do is you need achievable performance criteria to be able to show them, to show the manufacturers, this is what we want out of a green roof. Never mind what you're offering, this is what we want out of a green roof. If we're going to project $100 million in savings, then we need this. This is what the green roof has to give us.